Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop crypto news and everything in the crypto space. I make video every day, and if you're watching my channel for the first time, you are very much welcome. Yes, I'm very glad you're watching this channel. Currently we are over 3,490 subscribers, almost 3,500 subscribers. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see. Today alone I've made like up to 3 videos. Yes, normally I make close to 5 videos every day, but today I've done like 3 videos, so I'm going to be doing more. I like reviewing coins that are doing massive numbers on coin market cap, and if you come to coin market cap, you're going to see that this Genopet coin Gen has done over 30,020%, which is a very massive pump. So I'm sure a lot of people will want
Imagine if this happened to you overnight. Wake up $9,500.
Now a lot of people will be looking for this token. Sorry for that. I mistakenly played the video, and they want to know if this token is a scam, if it's a legit project and stuff like that. So I'll be reviewing Genopet, Cashback Pro, and every token doing massive number on CoinMarketCap. Guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to today's video. So Genopet is the first time I'm seeing this token. I can see an unverified market capitalization of $39 million, and the trading volume is $39.7 million, while the fully diluted market cap is $1.3 billion, and the token is on the watch list of over 10,633 people. Honestly, I don't know what this token is about, but I want to do my research and find out what this token is about. First and foremost, I can see this token is built on the Solana blockchain technology. So I'm going to copy this, and we'll copy this address, and we'll get as much information we can get on this token as much as we can. Right, what I'm seeing here with this kind of massive pump this token is having today, most likely I feel this is probably a glitch, or this could be as a result of a manipulation, because if you look at this around 12:54 p.m. today, 12:54 p.m. this token was worth $0.00, and if you look at here from 12:54 to 1:09 p.m., less than 10 minutes, 54 109, like less than 15 minutes thereabouts, this token moved, trading volume moved to 5.32 million, and it was worth $18.06 from 0.00 trading volume, 0.8 dollar to 18.06, and after that it has been ranging on this position. This is not normal. This is as a result of a huge manipulation or a glitch or whatever it may be. But that being said, I have to find out if this token is a solid token. You see, Genopet is the world's first free-to-play move to earn NFT game on Solana that makes it fun and rewarding to live in an active lifestyle. So this token is a game token, a P2E token, a play to earn game token that is built on the Solana blockchain technology. Now, Solana blockchain technology, not a lot of tokens are built on this blockchain, but I've reviewed a lot of tokens. Majority of tokens are always built on the Binance Smart Chain and the ERC Ethereum. Only a couple of tokens have been built on Solana and Tron. So it is interesting to know that this token is built on the Solana blockchain. You see, Genotep combines the user's step data from their mobile device with blockchain play to earn economies, so players can earn crypto for taking action in real life as they explore the Genoverse, evolving and battling their Genopets. Genopet merges the nurture evolution of Tamagotchi, the training and battling of Pokemon, and the fitness and social incentive of Strava, while rewarding players with crypto for staying active in their daily lives. Genopet has coined this move to earn. Well, this is quite interesting. This sounds very interesting. This is not a shitcoin. This is actually a game token, and I'm not going to waste much time here. I'm going to check the official website of this token, and I review the official website. Then I'm going to scan Solana scan. Let's see. Solana scan. Let's see the kind of information we can get from this right now. This is the official website. Geno, the world first moved to N token. They call their own token a move to N token, and this is supposed to be a game token. Honestly, this website looks kind of different from every website I've seen. It kind of looks different. I'm going to allow this website load, and I'll tell you what I think with this website. Yeah, this looks like a typical gaming website. From there, you have the game, the token, the theme, the paper. I'm going to open this white paper in a new tab. These are the social media pages, the terms and privacy. So let's see. I like the design. It looks very good, familiar. Okay. Well, this is a very beautiful website, a beautiful game token website. This website doesn't look like a scam. That's the website itself. It looks very professional and well designed. But guys, one thing I advise you is that before you invest in any token, you need to do your own research, because anything I do here is not a financial advice. It is just for educational purpose. Make sure you do your own research and know what you are investing in a project and why you are investing in a project. Don't get carried away with graphical designs and stuff. I'm going to copy this contract address. I'm going to paste it in sourcescan.io. Then I'm going to tell you guys exactly what I feel. Then I'm going to take it to Token Sniffer and see if this can be sniffed on Token Sniffer. I don't know if this will be possible, but I'm just going to try so that we can see the number of liquidity, and other stuff we can get from this token. Guys, I've done a lot of review. I did a review on Ethereum Meta, and you guys can actually check that and see for yourself. Okay, this is SoulScan market overview, fully diluted, the supply, the Genopets, the token program and stuff like that. Now let's check the number of people holding this token. The holders are 2,513. Not much, just 2,513. Not bad. From this, we're gonna move to the next place. Check the transaction, the last few minutes, the number of people buying this token. 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago. A lot of people are actually buying this token. In the last 1 minute, so many people have bought this token, which means people are searching for this token. If you watch my review video, tell me what you think about this project, your honest opinion about the project, because honestly I don't know why this token is going up. I don't know if this is a glitch. This project doesn't look like a scam to me. I cannot comfortably call it a scam right now at the point of recording this video. But then from the kind of information I check, I've not seen anything that makes me feel it is a scam for now. But one thing I would say is that this token needs to be very careful. You need to do your research. A lot of people are not holding it, and there's a heavy manipulation or probably a glitch, whichever one that happened. But there's no result on Token Sniffer. So if I cannot search for this on Token Sniffer, I'm not in a very strong position to give you guys my final verdict. But I'll tell you to do your own research. And this is a community. We have people that watch our videos. If you have invested in this token, please kindly leave a comment and tell us what you think about this project. From what I've seen, I don't think this project is a scam project, but then I can be wrong. That is why I said my opinion is my opinion. It doesn't necessarily mean you guys should invest because I said I don't think it's a scam. It's wise for you to do your own research, and I would like to hear the feedback from other people. For this token, there's a white paper, but for you to get this white paper, they need to send it to your email address. So I'm going to put my email address here so that I can review the white paper later. Right? I would like to review the white paper later, so that if I cannot review the white paper now. I want to know more about this. I would like to know more about this project, and basically that is that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see it. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another premium content. Yeah, I'll be dropping a content on Wakanda Inu before the end of today.